Hi there, this is Jannatul Firdaus. Everyone should repeat after me each and every sentence. Bring it here. Bring it here. Don't go there. Don't go there. This is for you. This is for you. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Come home early. Come home early. Eat properly. Eat properly. Don't be late. Don't be late. The food is ready. The food is ready. How is everything? How is everything? It's very important. It's very important. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. Keep it safely. Keep it safely. That's enough. That's enough. You did a great job. You did a great job. Forget it. Forget it. I am serious. I am serious. He's outside. He's outside. I will try. I will try. Stop it. Stop it. Don't lie. Don't lie. Let me see. Let me see. Don't go there. Don't go there. Drink water. Drink water. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Speak softly indoors. Speak softly indoors. Please clean this. Please clean this. I am listening to you sincerely. I am listening to you sincerely. Everything is happening slowly today. Everything is happening slowly today. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Let's move on. Let's move on. When will you come? When will you come? I am sleepy. I am sleepy. Go outside. Go outside. Go with him or go with her. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sleep well. Sleep well. It's your choice. It's your choice. It's too much. It's too much. Switch it on. Switch it on. Call me later. Call me later. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't repeat it. Don't repeat it. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. This is not helpful. This is not helpful. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. Don't worry, I got this. Don't worry, I got this. You made a mistake, it's okay. You made a mistake, it's okay. You always make me smile. You always make me smile. I am here with you. I am here with you. Don't rush. Don't rush. I knew it. I knew it. He is in the middle of something. He is in the middle of something. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. She will get it done. She will get it done. Don't irritate him or her. Don't irritate him or her. Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. You always support me. You always support me. He is used to it. He is used to it. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. He will be there in a minute. He will be there in a minute. You won't believe this. You won't believe this. Don't change the topic. Don't change the topic. Stop blaming others. Stop blaming others. Speak confidently. Speak confidently. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself. He is disappointed. He is disappointed. It's not his fault. It's not his fault. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? I am really sorry about that. I am really sorry about that. He is almost there. He is almost there. I didn't mean to upset you. I didn't mean to upset you. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You are not listening. You are not listening. Let's sort it out. Let's sort it out. I will manage somehow. I will manage somehow. He doesn't have time. He does not have time. That's not my problem. That's not my problem. It's out of her control. It's out of her control. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. They are coming. They are coming. Tell me your plan. Tell me your plan. Give it back. Give it back. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. He is on a call. He is on a call. Keep trying. Keep trying. Come quickly. Come quickly. I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this. He really needs some rest. He really needs some rest. I will get it done. I will get it done. Please be on time. Please be on time. I can't focus. I cannot focus. Don't touch my things. Don't touch my things. Move aside. Move aside. Give me some time. Give me some time. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. Go with him. Go with him. Keep it here. Keep it here. Who is there? Who is there? What should I talk about? What should I talk about? It's impossible to hide this from everyone. It's impossible to hide this from everyone. My advice is to tell everyone the truth. My advice is to tell everyone the truth. He just reached. He just reached. Stop overthinking. Stop overthinking. Don't interrupt me. Don't interrupt me.